Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Zettie. She lives in Zone 7. Her question today is, do I fertilize my seedlings before they go into the garden? And how do I get rid of something that is eating the roots? So seedlings have enough fertilizer in the seeds to get your seedlings to the first adult leaves. And then after that, you need to go ahead and provide some nutrients. So once the plants have their first set of adult leaves, then you can feed with like a half-strength fertilizer. I prefer organic, and I usually prefer like a compost tea at this stage. And if something is eating the roots, first you need to identify what's eating the roots and then devise a plan to get rid of it. So here's a few ideas to start your investigation. So the roots may be rotting because the soil is too wet. Because most bugs, they only eat the tops of the plants and not the roots. So I'm suspecting more of a rot than I would a bug. The other thing that can do it is if you have too many red wiggler earthworms, they can't eat the roots off of the plants. I hope this helps. Go ahead and put on your detective hat and start doing some investigating, because you got to figure out what it is before you can solve the problem. So if you have a garden question that you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. And if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything we do with the vegetable plants week after week, all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime you want. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up there, or you can click on the link below. So I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. You can submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. And until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.